Ever wondered who unfollowed you on Instagram? You're not alone. Let's dive into effective ways to track your followers. First, check your notifications. If someone unfollows you, it will be noted here. Keep an eye on those alerts. Next, utilize a follower tracking app. These tools provide instant insights into who left your profile. Another method? Manual checks. Visit your followers list and keep count. It might take longer but can be rewarding. Don't forget to regularly engage with your followers. More interaction might help keep your followers loyal. Finally, remember, it's just social media. Focus on quality, not just the number of followers. So, whether you use apps or manual checks, keep your social media experience fun and engaging. Stay updated with new features. Instagram regularly changes its algorithm. Adapt and thrive. And finally, don't stress about unfollows. Every follower counts, but quality connections matter more. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more tips on managing your online presence. Share your experiences in the comments. What strategies have you found effective? See you next time for more insights on enhancing your social media journey. Bye.